Hi everyone. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yamin Hassan and I am currently studying data science at Buckinghamshire New University at High Wycombe. Today, I would like to demonstrate how to use the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel has a lot of powerful features that are very helpful to manipulate the data, filter the data, and extract the values from within tables. And firstly, would like to discuss what is the VLOOKUP function is for basically. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is the function that makes Excel search for a certain value in the column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. And when we use this function, we use it when you need to find things in a table or arranged by a row. For example, let's say if you're looking for a product with its ID and you have a lot of data of that product in that table. Let's say if you are looking for a product name, you can have a look at the product name with its product ID. Or if you're looking for the product description, you can find it with this VLOOKUP function. And another example, let's say if you have an employee and you have employee's ID, and with that ID you will interested in his more data like his name, address, phone number, and etc. etc. And let's get going to a practical example. I think that would be the easy way to explain how this function works. Guys, this data is I extracted it from the National Statistics website, and I will show you guys how to use this data to use a VLOOKUP function. This data has 4 columns. The first column is the date column, then region ID, new cases, and deaths. I will look up for this new deaths column. Basically, I will search with the value with this corresponding column, the date column. We'll use this VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function will ask you for lookup value first, which value you are looking for. We'll be interested in date. Then after, it will ask you for the table or array. We'll select this whole table. That's been selected. Once we have selected the table, we'll ask you for which column index number you are interested in. We are interested in 1, 2, 3, 4 is column number 4. And for an exact match, you need to tell it's false. It will give you the exact match. If you just put the true in there, it will give the close match. So we'll put the false in there, and it will give you the value 0 now. And we will use this autofill feature and we'll drag down it, and you will see all these values. They will copy here automatically. Like the 9 is corresponding date is this one. It will come up here, and same if you drag it down more, you will see it will come up. And here we go. That's what the VLOOKUP function is used for. If you have a column and you know that column data, and if you are looking for another data in different columns, you can copy that data to another table as well. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.